We are in our Leila Fletcher book, Level 1, and we are on page 10. We are going to play the flyer. This is a right hand only song, and we are playing C, D, and E. Now, I want you to look at something here. It's called a time signature. There's a 2 on the top and a 4 on the bottom. The 2 tells us that we have 2 counts in a measure. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The quarter note, the little black note with the stem, is going to get 1 count, and the little white note with the stem is going to get 2 counts. That's a half note. Black note is a quarter note. Little white note with the stem is called a half note. Okay, so first what I want you to do is practice the flyer, just playing the notes and saying the letter names. So let's start here at the beginning. Riding with the engineer, blow the whistle, track all clear. Here we go. 1, 2. C, D, E, D, C, D, E, D, E, D, E, C, E, C. One more time. C, D, E, D, C, D, E, D, E, D, E, C, E, C. Now I'm going to play it again. I want you to play it with me, but I'm not going to say the letter names. I want you to say the letter names. 1, 2, ready, go. How did you do? Say the letter names as you play the notes, and you will learn your notes much faster.